Discord on PS4. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to use Discord on PS5. So to do this procedure, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, go to your Discord server. So type in discord.com and it's going to take you to the home page. Once you're in the home page, what next you want to do is click the gear icon at the bottom of the page, which is also known as user settings. Next thing you want to do is go to connections. As soon as you go to connections, now you could see add your account to your profile. So basically you could go ahead and use Discord on PS4 by adding or connecting it. So go to PS4 or PlayStation Network, select whether it's PS4 or 5. In my case we're going with PS4, so I'm gonna go with this one and click the continue button. Next thing what you want to do is you could see that they've asked you to sign in, so you need to click the continue button, enter in your credential and log into your account. This way you'll have successfully used Discord on PS4. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.